Today we are making tikka, soya and paneer. For the marinade, we need kasuri methi, haldi, meat powder, garam masala, jeera powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic. Let's put all the masalas in the heat. Let's mix all together. Let's put some mustard oil. Mix. Little bit of roasted besan. Squeeze some lemon. Mix. And the marinade is ready. Let's mix the boiled soya chunks. Don't forget to squeeze the water. Let's add paneer and onions. Let the marinade sit for 10 minutes. Let's grill it on the tawa. Ask your mommy. Kids, don't go near the gas. Ask your mommy. Delicious tikka is ready. Just garnish and coriander. Piece of lemon and some main chutney.